right, everybody, we're now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy C10 pickup truck. Very mean, very clean little truck we got here with a very nice orange exterior. As you see, we have the 2-inch Cowl induction hood, Ridler torque style wheels, and even the bed. I want to show you how nice and painted that is. There's no scratches in it. Almost looks like it has been freshly painted. Even our dash on the inside is painted the same. Very nice, very quality. Other than that, our gauges are pretty good. Temperature's doing all right. Battery's doing all right. Keeping it nice and steady. Our brakes not turning. Our power steering is working pretty good. No squeals. With this truck, you do get an aftermarket style radio with the aux. Have a nice little vintage air kit down there so you can keep nice and cool. But other than that, going up the road is pretty smooth. Very nice, especially with that nice little Chevy small block under there to give you a little bit of horsepower. Sounds very good. Anyway, now we're gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. Stay tuned to see the underneath.